Mark Morris, TotallyBeTheBroke.com, TotallyBeTheBroke.com. How you guys doing? Just got up a little late today. It's been so quiet at home. So I came in, cleaned out the bathroom, toilet's clean. I went and bought like a little new carpet. There it is, right there. It's the one over there closest to the wall. Had a blue. The one I had before got messed, took it to laundry. Then I came over, almost cleaned out everything. There's some things that weren't dry from the dryer, so I'm just gonna let them dry here. And then I'm heading over to my desk, start to get to work, and I'm probably head out for a walk. It's a Starbucks soon. Morris TotallyBeTheBroke.com. How are you guys doing today? Tight outfit training today. Gonna just go for a 5 to 10 minute walk, do some stretching, just watch the diet. Try not to eat a lot of meat for the next 2 or 3 days. And then tomorrow I'll head to Body Combat and also do some flexibility exercises. Working on getting to that 34-inch waist. Who's gonna join me? Subscribe.